Rice. Talking about shelly rice. Come to my kitchen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. True Jamaican authentic shelly rice. Talking about shelly rice. Come to my kitchen. True Jamaican shelly rice and peas. See that? Shelly rice. Shelly rice and peas. See the peas? That's how we do it. True Jamaican rice and peas. I'm telling you, this is the true rice and peas. True Jamaican shelly. See? Talking about shelly rice. Let's talk about shelly rice. And how I cook my rice and peas, I season it. So what I do, I don't put a lot of peas in my rice and peas because I don't really like it. But today, I plan to use a lot of peas. And so, I didn't do any measurements, so I can't give you that today. But I put enough. And then, I put in some salt, black pepper, and I put some garlic and herbs. I put parsley, I put Italian seasoning, black pepper, parsley, Italian seasoning, and this garlic and herbs. So I season with scallion and some thyme and salt to taste. Pressure my peas before, and then I have to use the tin coconut. So I use half of that, and I put that in the water after the peas have been pressured. And you put that and I let it boil a little, bring it to a boil, and then I add my rice. Then I use the water, enough water to cover the entire thing. If it want more, I put more on it. Turn the flame down to medium heat and let it steam. And you do that for about half an hour to 3/4 of an hour. I don't have full measurement, but I can just give you rough idea as to how I do it. Next time, I will do it from scratch and give you my recipe. But yeah, this is it. My shelly rice. Shelly rice. And I also put some olive oil in it. I don't use butter anymore. I use olive oil. So this is it. Shelly rice. Can you imagine? All right, and now for the protein. So I did, this is it, baked turkey wings. So I did baked turkey wings, and this is how it is. It was seasoned for about half an hour. No, about an hour before. Pack all these seasoning onion. So it's onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, paprika, ginger. All these seasoning, and then I lay the onion at the bottom, and I place the. Now look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna have to make some more gravy though. I think so. I'm gonna have to make a little. Yeah. Just put a little gravy in it. But trust me, think it's good. So this is what it turned out to be. So when I put them together, that shelly rice and the turkey wing, I'll show you. Yeah, so this is the final touch. This is it. Wow. I can't wait to have this. My. So this is my vegetable that I'm going to be having with the turkey wings and the shelly rice and peas. I am not going to be fixing anything else but this. This is all I want. That's all I will have. Okay. I put some avocado ranch with it and just a little bit of honey. This is it. So as I said, I'm going to be showing you the finished product. Now this is it. This is all I want. This is what I want. So that's the shelly rice, my little vegetable,